Andarki namaskaram. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, chala thanks to the entire media and all the journalists, people who are here today. And Euphoria is a very special film. I think everyone here um, has said what they had to say, and I'm left with not much because it is a very bold subject, and it takes courage, a lot of courage, when a lot of different kind of films are coming up. This is another level of uh, taking risk. And thank you, Ragini ma'am, Nilima Garu, and Yukta. Thank you so much for backing this film, giving it the strength that you've given. Guna sir, I just spoke to you and I don't know what to say, but I feel overwhelmed. I saw the film yesterday. I could not sleep last night. I could not sleep. I woke up at 1, I woke up at
ఎస్ వై షీ గాట్ ఎమోషనల్ అనేది ఖచ్చితంగా రేపు థియేటర్స్లో మనకి ఖచ్చితంగా తెలుస్తుంది. అండ్ నిన్న ప్రీమియర్స్ చూసిన అందరూ కూడా అదేవిధంగా అందరూ కూడా కంటతడి పెట్టుకున్నారు. మనమందరం కూడా రేపు చూసిన తర్వాత ఖచ్చితంగా ఎందుకు ఈరోజు భూమిక గారు బాధపడ్డారు లేదా ఏడ్చారు అనేది రేపు థియేటర్స్లో తెలుస్తుంది.
Sorry, I'm going to take a quick moment to wish all the three and a lot of newcomers here. Vignesh, you're brilliant. I've said it from day one till now. Likita, I loved your performance, and Prithvi, brilliant. I've been here for a few years, but being in the same space as these people makes me want to do better, makes me want to go back to school and learn, because I realize there is so much to learn in your own field. And one last thing I want to say is welcome to the industry. Don't take the success, like Prithvi said, to your heart and mind, and don't take the brickbats also. Because you know how beautiful this industry is and how frail it is. It can take you right up there and it can bring you right down. You agree? Everyone agrees? Ardham avtundi? Correct? It'll take you there and bring you down. So stay grounded, stay focused, and give it your best always. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ భూమిక గారు. అండ్ గుణశేఖర్ గారు, మీ లిస్ట్లో, మీ బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ లిస్ట్లో ఖచ్చితంగా యూఫోరియా యాడ్ అవబోతుంది. రేపు చూసిన వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా అదే చెప్పబోతున్నారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ Q&Aని మొదలు పెట్టేద్దామండి.